Folks, it's your friend Paul. I was asked to record a video about why the Patreon episodes, the bonus episodes, are valuable, and I'm happy to do that. I apologize for the red nose. I got some sun today. Those of you who know me know that's not my natural state. My body is rejecting it as it does. But in terms of the Patreon bonus episodes, they are really high yield. I love doing them because they help me consolidate my knowledge, and they're also a chance for me to hang out with my pal Matt. But basically, we take these high yield topics, we condense them down into the absolute pearls that you need to know, the things that really changed our practice, the things that we didn't know, the things that we found especially fascinating. And we condense them down for you, the listener, in a way that is hopefully enjoyable and maybe spares you the time of sitting through our typical um, hour and a half episodes. They're usually about a half hour long at most. And at the end, they have some of the bonus stuff that were part of the older episodes where we talk about picks of the week and just kind of chit chat. More than once, I have forgotten that we're recording, and it's just me talking to my buddy Matt about a movie I've liked or a band that I've been really enjoying, and I get to hear about what's going on with him. So it's that personal touch that makes all the difference. So if that sounds appealing to you, I hope that you'll go check them out. We put a lot of work into making sure that they are high value, and I truly think they are. They've helped me learn a lot, and hopefully they'll help you learn too.